So how's this for news I was not expecting for today? I just saw an article and I put a link here in the description. Mortgage defaults rising for the first time since the housing crisis. Wow. I've been telling you that we have a recession coming and that things are going to get kind of dicey for us, but right now we've had some of the biggest and fastest run-up in appreciation ever. And even still, we're seeing defaults on the rise, which means those people are in some way underwater. Whether it is that they took on extra debt, or maybe there was down payment assistance involved and they couldn't make it work, or in some parts of the country, values have actually started dropping somewhat too. So we know a recession is coming. We know that's going to mean lower interest rates. I'm going to keep harping on this because this is going to be a major play for you guys over the next few years here, is when you can save money on your mortgage and have the bank pay most or all of your closing costs, you should do it. Because values are starting to drop in some parts of the country already, if you are still paying PMI or you have an FHA loan with mortgage insurance premium, you need to do what has to be done to take it off now. Rates right now are at their lowest point basically since November of 2016. Based on where the treasury yields are, they should be even lower. Lenders are being slow to give that up to us for whatever reasons. Maybe they're hoping this is going to reverse before too much gets put on the books that way. But if you're paying PMI, you can almost definitely save money right now if you're able to get it off. And even if you don't have a full 20% of equity, you may be able to get much better PMI than what you already have. Some of the rates I've been seeing lately are just crazy. And it just has to do with some of the big lenders have negotiated better deals with the mortgage insurance companies. So if you have to refinance with PMI, it still might be worth your while. So anyway, mortgage defaults on the rise. That's not good news for us. And again, if there's any chance that the comparable sales are going to start dropping in your area to where you won't be able to get an appraisal to get rid of PMI, then you need to look at taking care of that now. If you have any questions, if you need to know how to approach that, you can shoot me off a message and I'll give you some guidance. I only work in California, so that's about a little less than 10% of you since I have contacts all over the world. But for those of you who are in the US, only about 10% of you probably are people that I can actually help personally, but I can still tell you what to do. So reach out to me and let's see what can be done to better your situation. If you have any questions, I'm always at your disposal. Thanks, guys, and have a great day.